So welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be servicing the Polo Vivo that I drive. So these are 4 plugs that we got for our car. We have some coolant, we have some oil filter, we have 2 air filters. This one is for the engine, this one is for the aircon. So we also have our oil. So all of this thing costed us for 1,466 rand at Volkswagen. So come with me as I'm showing you how easy it is to service your own car, because they normally charge you a lot of money at VW. This is what they call major service. The only thing that's left here, it's the petrol filter and as well as the sump watch. So they didn't sell me the sump watch. I don't know why, but at VW they normally sell it. So because today I got them at Volkswagen, they didn't sell me that thing, but it's fine, we can still use the old one. So let's try and get some tools so that we can service the car. Right, so the first thing that I would like to do is to take care of our what's this, air filter. So you're gonna take this thing, we're only gonna unscrew about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws that we're gonna be using a star screwdriver. So let me go and get it. So I'm not a real mechanic, guys, so don't judge me when I'm doing something wrong. Correct me. So that's how easy it is to take the the engine air filter out. So this is the filter that we are going to take out. Done. Just gonna get a cloth so that we can wipe anything that is inside here. You can see we have some dust and some dirt that you need to take. So I'm just gonna get a cloth and wipe it out. So we just wiped here and we're just gonna let it you can take this thing out if you want to, but I don't want to take it out. We are done with that part. We're just gonna let it dry a little bit because the cloth that I'm using, it was kind of wet. So now let's take care of our plugs. So to take care of the plugs, we are going to need okay, let me take this out so that does not disturb me. So we're going to take care of the plugs. We need to take care of these 4 coil packs so that we can access the plugs. And yeah, it's very easy actually. So what you need is some, let me see if I can remove this with hands. Nah, they're really tight. Let me use this to remove the plugs, the coil. Second coil pack out. Let's go. Coil pack out. Let's take this one now. Last coil pack out. So all our coil packs are now out of the way. So it's not easy to take this one out though. You need to press it underneath here to take it out. there's a way you remove a plug, coil pack from this plug. So this is what I'm trying to find out here, so that I can remove it here. Because the last one here, it's very tricky one. I don't want to lie to you. It's a very tricky coil pack to remove. So you need to press this and you pull it. Yeah, it's very tricky to take this one out, guys. I swear, I can even see the previous mechanic was struggling here because I don't know what he was using. Actually, tried to damage this part, but oh shit, yeah, they broke the plug that actually disconnected. I see why it's so difficult. So let me just try. I'm gonna have to pause. We are taking out the plugs now. Oh, they are really, oh, I know they are really tight. So I'm failing to take this plug, this coil pack out. So I'm gonna have to visit a friend of mine who's a mechanic to help me out, because they've broken the plug to actually make it easy to remove it. Just whoever was tidying these things. No, these plugs are really tight, guys. Ow! I don't know what is happening with these plugs. They are really, really, really tight. I don't know who was tidying this thing so heavily, but they're really tight. So to take out the plug, you just need to unplug this thing and then you pull the plug. Oh, sorry. Oh, I did. And then you hook it out like this. You take it out. So these plugs, sizwile, guys, they are really looking bad. So no wonder why they are so not easy to be taken out. I don't know when last did they change the plugs, but this plugs looks bad. These plugs really look bad. So I'm failing to take this one out because the previous whoever broke this pin here. Oh, it's here. You broke this thing, so it's difficult now to pull this thing up and take out the thingy. Where's the coil pack that I used to hook? Oh, okay. To take out the thing. So when you put it back, you just hook it like this, and you tied it. Then you can pull this thing out. You can use a screw now to screw it. So it's not easy to take these two plugs. It's gonna be hard. As you can see that it's really hard to take the first one. So let's try to take the second one again. I hope it does not break the threads. Ooh, they're really tight, guys. Whoever was tidying these things, or maybe it's because of the roots that we found on the first one, probably they are all the same. So we're gonna take 3 of this, and then we're left with this one because I'm struggling to take this plug out, because whoever who was doing this broke. They look the same. They're very terrible. So the plugs are really terrible. Let's put a new one. Oh, this one doesn't want to hook. Just use this spanner to put it in. the problem is not easy to tighten them up with this thing. You're gonna need to use this to put them back. Yeah, so now we can use this to tie it up. Okay, let's try this one now. Yeah. Jesus! Aye. Jesus! It's bad. Let's leave it rest a little bit. Let's try and take the oil filter. Holy shit. It seems like the oil filter has a lot of oil. So what I should have done, almost made a mess. So it seems like the oil filter had a lot of oil. So all I should have done was to remove the watch first, because I normally remove the filter first before I can remove the oil flusher down there. So now we are going to go down there and try to unscrew that thing and come back to finish this one. Because wow, this is the worst Polo that I ever serviced, I'm telling you. So we gonna be checking our car right now. Yeah, so we're going to check our car and open the sump, the oil sump. Yeah, I don't trust this jack, so I'm gonna put bricks there to balance it. Now I can safely go under the car. Ooh. Oh yeah. What is the sound? Hey, see your one, eh? Go chawara vanilla. Orana, come round until the paganya which already did sulus. Let's try and see if we cannot remove this thing. I don't think I have the spanner for. I'm still tied. I think I'm gonna need a ratchet to take this thing out. I'm failing. So I'm failing to finish my service here because I don't have tools to unscrew the watch on the sump, and I'm failing to unscrew these two plugs because I'm failing to take this coil pack out. So you're gonna have to wait to get tools so that you can finish this. So I'm gonna have to go and ask tools from friends so that I can finish what I have started here. So now we're just gonna return everything, and then okay, this one comes here. So you manage to take two plugs, you fail to take the other two out. So let me try to take this one. The last time, if we fail, we failed. We will see it when we have other tools. Yeah, I'm failing. So returning this file pack as well to its position. So what? Oh, what? Oh, so I ended up taking the whole thing because I was failing to take this plug, this thing. So I wanted to unscrew here so that I can, and I remembered that I also don't have my tools as well. I've borrowed some of my things from my friends. So you're gonna take this thing back like this. But we're going to put the new this filter over here. I'm gonna put this new filter, air filter for the engine, and then we also gonna replace. I cannot replace the oil filter because I didn't change the oil, so that's why I'm not changing the oil filter. And we are left with one plug, as well as it's one plug and changing the oil, two plugs, changing the oil and the oil filter. So the air filter for the aircon, we're gonna change it, then we'll switch off the lights once we are done with everything. So yeah, mechanic went wrong. Trying to be a mechanic, content went wrong. Okay, we finished servicing the car today. Unfortunately, I didn't shoot content when I was doing that. All we did is to put those two plugs that I told you about, drained the water out, put a new water with an anti-freezer, and then after that I actually changed the oil thingy, the oil filter, and then drained out the oil, put in the new oil. So now what I'm going to show you is to how do you deal with this light. So you're gonna put your key on the ignition, and then you're gonna hold it like that, and you're going to, I'm gonna have to put my phone down, turn the ignition, and you turn it to your right one time, and then the inspection light, it's gone.